Hi Teami community, it's Adi Arizini and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Teami Blends. Today we're going to be showing you our very newest skincare product, which I am super excited to tell you guys about. I made this specific product to help damaged skin. What's important to me is to have a product that is natural and that can actually help your skin repair itself. Without further ado, I'll show you guys our newest skincare product. It's called Teami Repair. It is another tea infused facial oil, which I am just so excited to show you guys. So it comes in this cute box. The main flower in it is chamomile, so it shows you there. All right, guys. And there is the oil. The three main ingredients are jojoba oil and vitamin E oil and chamomile flower. Let me tell you guys a little bit about chamomile and why I chose to add it as the main ingredient in this tea infused facial oil. Chamomile is like a super ingredient. It's been used by the Romans and Egyptians from ancient years ago. They used it to solve nausea, stomach aches. They used it to solve any type of inflammation of the skin. They would actually grind up the chamomile flowers and they would put it on the skin because it's a total super ingredient and it helps repair the skin from the inside out. It's a strong anti-inflammatory. It's great for sensitive and acne-prone skin. It is an antibacterial and antiseptic and is full of antioxidants. The chamomile flower actually has excellent healing abilities to minor skin wounds, and even acne is a type of skin wound. It's really great for the healing of the skin. It helps fight and block out irritants by eliminating the free radicals which damage your skin and accelerate the aging process. Another amazing property, it's a natural skin lightener and promotes a healthy glowing complexion. So you can actually use Teami Repair in the morning and at night. It totally moisturizes your skin. So you can actually cut out your daily moisturizer and it protects it. I put it on in the morning before makeup and it's not oily and it absorbs into the skin right away. Another great thing about Teami Repair is that it is 100% natural. And a couple of things that are important to me as the owner of this company that I want all of you guys to know is that most skincare products are filled with chemicals. And that is not something that you want in your body or on the outside of your skin. You want to keep your skin healthy by using natural ingredients that come from the earth. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, there's no GMO or any type of additives that are not natural, and it's made in the USA. It's really important for me that you guys know that about all of our skincare products, that they're all made here in Florida at my factory. It's also 2 ounces, so this can be good for 2 months or more for you guys. Wow, this feels so soft on my skin. Wow, it just smells so good, and I already feel relaxed when I just put it on. And it's really good to apply it on your neck because your neck is actually where you show age lines first. That's step 1 of your morning skincare routine. It's that easy. I don't need to put on a moisturizer. I don't need to be using anything else. If I want, I can actually use the Teami Repair and I can use it for the face, neck, or body. So I can apply it anywhere that I need it, anywhere that I feel has inflammation. So if you have eczema, rosacea, psoriasis, or you just suffer from really sensitive, dry, or oily skin, this product is the perfect natural way for you to solve it. I hope that you guys love this new product of ours. It's one of my favorites, and I hope that you guys get to use it and just feel the amazing natural benefits of our Teami Repair. Let me know in the comments below what type of skin issues you're currently suffering from, and we can recommend the best product for you. Bye, Teami community.